Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about, again, construction on your internet real estate. It's a pickup from the last video. If you've done what you were asked to do, then you've already called our customer service hotline and you have got them to walk you through how to set up your first page. Now, this is a theme. This is a WordPress theme that you're looking at right now. It's just a plain chalkboard. You could go out and find themes in your WordPress if you go down to Appearance, and we're going to walk through that as we go. But the first thing you're going to want to do is go to your account, our account in your Internet Real Estate Investments. And right here, whenever you log in, you'll see this box that says My Account with all this stuff under it. This is all the stuff I have in here right now. What we're concentrating on today is web hosting. Now yours will either say web hosting or it will say WordPress web hosting. Either way, you're going to want to click this plus sign right here next to it. And you're going to want to launch your main name, which is the name you set up. Now, sorry about that, but I got ahead of myself. Anyway, you launch it and you come here. Now, from here, this is where our customer service should have walked you into and set up your first page. Now, from here, you can manage WordPress right here, and these are all the websites. These are just some of the websites that I currently have on WordPress. But for this, you want to find your site that you're going to work on. Let's see. Let's go work on Guru Builder. That's one of my favorite ones. Anyway, sorry about it. Over here, whenever you see your name, you go over here to the side to log in, and you click login, and it's going to take you to the login thing. Go ahead and log in, and you're going to see this page. Now, this is your WordPress back office. This is where you make everything happen. They have tutorials you can walk through. Right here tells you, let's get started, change your theme, stuff like that. Now, if you click right here on the name of your website up here, it's going to take you to what your page actually looks like right now. Now, this is an incompleted page, but this is what the page looks like right now. Pretty cool, huh? Now, I did come in and put some of this stuff in here, but this is a theme that I stuck in. Your theme probably looks different from this. But we're going to work on changing the theme. And what you're going to want to do is come right here to Appearance, Themes. You see that? Click on it. When you click on it, anything you see in here are themes that you can choose from that you already have downloaded into this WordPress account. Now, yours probably looks like this right now, or this, or even this. Okay, but these are themes that I've went and found. Now, the way to do that, make yours pretty, make it look like you want it to look, each one of these are going to be for you. We basically are just wanting to build a capture page. So the themes really don't matter because we're going to take it and break it down to just a white page. So let's start with a theme you have. This is probably what your site looks like right now, okay, without all this other stuff up here. But this is a basic look. What you're going to want to do is break this down. So come right here to Customize and click on it. Now it's going to let you keep your stuff up here if you want to. Site and tagline, put the name of your website right here, okay, and that it shows up right here across the top. Colors, you can change the colors. This basically changes the background and stuff like that. Header image, it'll take this away and put what you want in there if you choose to. You don't have to worry about navigation. You don't have to worry about the static front page. What this means is if you were building a website for yourself that you were going to work on, that you were going to grow, you would ask yourself, do you want people to see your posts that you've written, which you're probably not going to do, or do you just want a static front page? And what that does is the static front page makes like this the front page all the time. If somebody comes here and they click on gurubuilder.com, it's going to take them to this page and no other one. they'll have to navigate away from it. If you go to your latest post, it takes them to a different page. It just has all your blog posts and stuff over here on the side. So static page is the way to go because we are building a capture page. Anyway, we can close this out. You click save on it, and we can close that out. From here, you're going to go into pages. And ignore these. This is when I was building this page, but click Add New. Now you have one there that says Sample Page. You can delete that. It's not worth anything to you, or you can go into it and change the name to you know, Capture One or whatever you want to call it. I mean, you don't even have to put a name up there if you don't want to. Basically, what you're doing is you're coming here and you're going to type the description of the website. You know, what this website could be used for, what this name could be used for. If you bought it, if you saw it and you were at auction, and when you saw it you had an idea, oh, that's a great name, it could be used for this. Whatever you had in your head is a great name. It is a great thing for that site. So go ahead and come here and start giving a description of what you thought of when you saw the name. Because another buyer out there might not have thought of it that way. That maybe is has a little more investing power. And when they see your video, they'll think, oh, he's right. I should have bought that when I had the chance. Let me get it from him while I can, or her while I can. And I say him a lot because I'm a him, so I'm referring to kind of myself. But anyway, you can come here and you can kind of give a description of the page. And what I would do is kind of center it. That's not even close to center, is it? Huh. Anyway, I would try to center it as best as I could and put a video in here. If you don't know how to make a video, go to YouTube, sign up for a YouTube account, go to your page, go to upload videos, and it's going to let you record one from right there. So if you have a webcam, you can record one of yourself. If you have a smartphone, you can record one of yourself and upload it to YouTube and then bring it back here. Now the way you do that is the same way you would put it on Facebook or anything else. You copy that code under it and you bring it here and you put it in here. When you put the code in, you do not put it here. You put it right here. See where it says visual and text? You're going to want to go under text. And you're going to want to put that code there. And it'll bring you a video here. And to kind of walk you through that real quick, let's go over to YouTube. We'll check out my account. Anyway, go right here. Sorry. My channel is where you're going. Now, this is after you've signed up or whatever. Go to my channel. It's quicker just to go to upload. You can click upload. I'm sorry, it's right there by the search. Now, whenever you click upload, it's going to bring you here. It gives you the option to put in a slideshow, put in a Google Hangout and broadcast it, and then how to edit the video before you put it out there. Now, from here, it's real easy just to click that record key. Your webcam will come on. You can go ahead and write it down before you do this. Of course, take notes of what you want to tell people about. Click on record. It'll show you a picture of you. You give your description. Tell all about what this website is to you and what this name means. Just, a minute. It doesn't have to be very long. 30 seconds. Just something to where you can convey what you believe this name could be used for and how this name could be profitable to someone who's starting a new business or maybe just wants to grow their portfolio. But again, you click right here. Now, after you have recorded and it's uploaded, and it takes a few minutes, after you have recorded and it's uploaded, you're going to want to go back to your account. And you're going to want to select, let's say this is one of the videos y'all have recently watched. I'm not going to start it. So, but here's the video. And this works with any YouTube video. This is, out there on YouTube. You scroll down here and you see this right here where it says share. It's under your name. It's under my name and all. It says share. Click that. Now right here is a code. This is not the code you need. This is the URL. If you want to post it and let people go to it on Facebook, on YouTube, that's fine. They can go, they'll come off your page, go to this page right here and see it. But if you want to keep them on your page where they're not leaving, which is always smart because it's like letting the customer leave the store to think about it, you don't want to do that. So right here, you're going to click on this right here that says embedded. And it's going to give you this big long code right here. You're going to right click it and copy it. Okay? Then you're going to want to come over here to your page. You're going to make sure you're not on visual, you're on text. You're going to paste. There's that code. See it? But watch what happens when we click visual over here. Oh, it turns a screen in here. Okay? Now from here you can come over to the edge of it and you can make it smaller or bigger. One of the other things you can do is here, put your cursor on the side of it and click center. Something's wrong with this. Anyway, let's bring it way out here. There we go. We made it a little smaller, if you can see. After you get your video on here, you can again scroll down, go under your video, and type a description or whatever. Click publish. Okay. Now make sure you've got a name up here. Let's say info. Let's just do info. Publish. Okay, now from here you get a short code. This code is basically how to find this page. If you wanted to put a link out there, whenever you're going to Facebook and Twitter and IR and you're posting in forums, you can use this link. Okay, it'll take them to that page. Now you don't want to use info on all of them. You might want to use info for whatever the name of the real estate is. But here you can click view page and it'll show you. Now look at here. Now my video is offset apparently, but they can click the video and start watching it right from your website. You can have links under here. You can also, and something else you may want to do is, let's go stick you a plug-in in just for fun. So let's go back. Over here on the side where you see plugins, you're going to click on plugins. Okay, now from here you're going to want to add new. Type in the word, let's see, form. Just form. You're looking for a way to get them to fill out a form. Okay. Sorry about this, guys. I normally don't use these. I have my own setup, but any of these will probably work. And basically what this does is under your picture, you're going to have a form for them to fill out. Let's just try Form Builder. Anyway, you click Install Now. Yes, I want to install it. I'm going to activate the plugin. Let's see, there it is, Form Builder. So we're going to go to Setup. Wow. Apparently this is not where we want to be. Anyway, whenever you set up, you had an email address on there. that you put with the website, put that email address on the front page somewhere, even if you have to do it under your video, like here. Contact me at, and put your email address. Matter of fact, let's do that. Contact me at, and then put your email address in there, Ricky Trim, and then at gmail.com. Now that's not my email address, but that's just what I'm going to put out there. You put yours here. Now, make sure you put a space in there. This way they can just copy it and put it in their email and send you an email about it. Let's click update, view page, and see, then contact me at, and they can go in and email you from here. That's one of the easiest ways to do it. You can go in, if you know anything about WordPress, and build you a form under here. If you have a account at a autoresponder company, you can come in here and put their stuff in. Like if you're on MailChimp and you do newsletters or something like that, you can put a information thing in here for them to sign up for your newsletter. This is just a basic page, guys. This is what I wanted to show you. It's just, you're not going to have any of this. It's just going to be a page, and it's going to have a video and some information about this name up here that you're trying to get rid of, that you're trying to put out there and sell, or even trying to turn it into a parked page. Now, there is a difference in a capture page and a parked page. This is a capture page. This says, hey, I'm for sale. Contact me here, contact my owner here, and buy me. So that's how to set up a WordPress site, guys. It's not that hard. It's really quick. With practice, you'll get better at it. The better you get at it, the more websites you'll build. You'll start taking, instead of having just capture pages or parked pages, you might actually build a website on here and get you some traffic to it and make it worth something, and then put it up for sale and make a fortune on it. I mean, you don't ever know which one of these websites is the next 2 million or 4 million or 10 million or $3 billion website. You don't ever know what your idea is or what it's worth until somebody comes along and wants to buy it. The idea is to hold out until they do. Guys, in our next video, we're going to build a parked page. They're just as simple. It just allows a company to use your page to advertise. And then if you send traffic to it, then you'll make a little extra money off the advertising. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.